Greetings, gardeners. I'm all excited. It's a big day. Right here behind me I have a pair of starfruit tree, or carambola. That's that yellow oblong fruit with the ribs. Well, it's about 10 years back. A friend of mine had a grafted Kari starfruit, and his tree produced outstanding fruit. That's a self-fertile variety, so it only requires one. You don't need to cross-pollinate with Kari. And I was over at his place, and he was offering me fruit. The tree was abundant. It was one of the grafted Kari from Planet Hawaii over here in Curtistown. And he was somewhat down the mountain, okay, from where I live, quite low elevation, but that tree took off and it was growing beautiful. And I ate the fruit and I said, oh, this is top-notch starfruit stuff. And so I went ahead and I scraped the seeds out, and 10 years ago I planted these trees. I was afraid that maybe I'm too high up because they've been here for a decade and they've grown, they look healthy, but they've done nothing. Well, this morning I woke up, I walked out here and I went, oh my God, what's all that pretty color in the top of the tree? They're blooming. Both of them are blooming. I'm so excited. This is amazing. Starfruit in Hawaii, for me, I believe the first trip over here, we were staying in Hilo at a little family-run motel called Dolphin Bay Inn. Very nice place, by the way. If you're in Hilo, I highly recommend it. But they had a starfruit tree right next to the office along the parking lot, and it was loaded. Oh my goodness, the whole place smelled like starfruit. It was falling all over, and they were handing the local kids fruit pickers so they could go out there and clean the tree down, you know, sharing the wealth. Well, I saw that starfruit tree and I said, oh man, is that loaded? I gotta get myself one of those as soon as I get some land here. And so it was early, high on the list of things that I planted. But then I waited, and I waited, and I waited, and I waited, and nothing happened on the trees. So I went ahead and I went over to Planet Hawaii a couple of years ago when they had one of the public sales, and I bought myself one of those grafted Kari starfruit, just like the one Scott used to have. And I put it in over here, and it's you know, about maybe 100 feet from where I'm standing at the moment. I checked on that one. The grafted tree is not blooming today, but my 10-year-old seedlings are, and I'm so excited. Check this out. Well, there you go. You see all those beautiful pink and white flowers up there? Wind's blowing pretty hard. It's bobbing around, but just check it out. We got all kind of flower up there. It didn't just come out with a little spotty bloom. It's got a real good bloom with more coming. I'm so excited about this. It's so cool. I got a second tree back here that's loaded in flowers too. Oh boy, we're going to get some starfruit this year. Outstanding. So, like the old expression says, good things come to those who wait, I guess. I had about given up on this. I was beginning to figure that, yeah, the trees grow here, but we're too high up the mountain for this, so I guess I was wrong. It looks like we can probably fruit starfruit up here. Wow. Live and learn. Aloha, hang loose. Y'all have a wonderful day.